today's the day. I got my floor mats from TesManian. They look really nice and a lot better than some I've seen online. So after running around in the car for about a month and a half with mismatched floor mats, I have some that are custom molded for my car and look great. Alright, starting with the passenger side, you see that the one piece is contoured to the floor. Includes sides, the back, and the front all being one piece. Great for containing liquids, mud, or snow. On the driver's side it's the same. It includes the dead pedal or footrest. So there's no open seam there, it's all one piece. It'll keep all liquids inside of that mat for the driver and keep your carpet dry in winter and rainy conditions. In the rear of the car, we have a one mat system. It's one piece, so any liquids or debris will be contained in that one piece of mat, along with its beveled edges, the sides, the back, and the front of the mat. So it's well designed to contain any debris as far as liquids, mud, snow, anything you can throw at it, and it covers everything, even under the seats and up to the back of the console. We'll have one last look at the front from the back view, get a better look, and we'll include any links to TesManian floor mats at the end of the video and below. Alright, we're at the TesManian site. It's TesManian.com. Once you get here, click on Shop. I'll take you to the Model 3 accessories. TesManian sells a few products. They currently offer a soft cooler for a Tesla Model 3, and I believe it fits into the front area of your Tesla. Also, what we reviewed today was the Tesla 3 floor mats interior. They also sell a trunk mat cargo liner, a trunk well cargo liner, and a front cargo liner. But today we'll just take a look at the where you can get the mats for your interior. As you can see, they have some pictures here on the website. Hopefully you see from the video that it's actually much better looking in person. I don't think that these pictures actually do the product any justice. They look much better in person, and they look a lot better than other things I've seen online as options for interior floor mats. They do have a link of TeslaRaj doing his water tests for the trunk liner, where he pours almost 5 gallons of water into the rear of his trunk with the liner inside, and it does not spill. Also, he does some tests for the interior liners as well, and you can see how much liquid is contained. I did not feel like doing that with my Tesla and have any cleanup, so if you'd like to see something like that, feel free to watch this video. Below it gives you the description of the product that we reviewed today, and you can go ahead and add it to your cart if you like it and take a look at it. For me, the product comes from California. It took about 5 days once they actually shipped it, so it was a pretty quick turnaround for getting it, and these were reasonably priced in my opinion compared to what I could find online, like on Amazon. Something comparable to this was probably at least $190, if not more. So I thought this was a pretty good bargain from TesManian. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Also click on the reminder bell for when there's new videos posted on this channel. And if you found any of this content worthy and you're looking to buy a Tesla or know someone's going to buy a Tesla, please use my referral code. I'd greatly appreciate it. You'll get 1,000 super mile charging miles, and I'll also get 1,000 supercharging miles as well for you using my code. I'll put the link to the website down below, along with a referral code, and I'll even go ahead and get TeslaRaj's link for his YouTube video and put it down below as well. Again, thank you very much for watching.